Hey guys, welcome back to One Man Op Fishing. Now, I haven't been able to get out too much the last week. It's been crazy busy and rainy. And now we got another storm maybe coming at us next week. I'm not really sure. But I don't know if you can see today how windy it is. It's been just nutty. You see how the trees are just blowing really hard. It's probably a 20-25 knot wind. So it's tough to get out and fish. Even shore fishing or bank fishing is not the easiest thing in the world. But it's a beautiful kind of a day. It's breezy. It's November. So let's give it a shot, huh? Let's see if we can't put a few fish on the bank today. I'm really looking forward to fishing for about an hour. I'm right here on my my property on my lake. Well, not my lake, the community's lake. Don't want you to think I have my own private lake to fish. Wish I did. That would be great. But let's get to it. The water's down a little bit finally. It's been just so high with all the rain we've been getting this late in the year. It's been crazy with the tropical storms this year in South Florida. So let's get to it, all right? Now, you know what? I think I'm going to go to the other end and work my way back. Never seen the water this dirty. Very, very churned up water. It's been very windy, very rainy the last couple of days. You can see all this stuff growing in the water. That's from all the fertilizer that's washed into it. Makes fishing very difficult. Yeah, something was nibbling on it. Unless I was caught. Nope, something was. Must have been something small. Let's see. Tore my worm up. All right, let's break out a new one. All right, we're reattached. A little bit of a different worm, a little different color. I wasn't sure if we were going to be able to catch anything with this horrible wind. I'd be happy to get one fish. Gotcha. How about that? I was trolling this thing along, guys. Just bringing it in. It was time to go in. It's getting dark. And there we go. We did not get shut out. It's a damn miracle. Oh, baby, come here. Look at this little guy. He came up and swallowed it, and I felt something pulling on my pole, and I'm like, I think I might have grabbed some muck, you know, some muck off the bottom. I thought it was just heavy. Come out of there. Come on. Just got heavy. Come here, baby. Look at this thing. There we go. We got it. Look at that little guy. Well, that was all we were able to do tonight. It's getting dark, and but we didn't get shut out. I mean, it is windy. It is insanely windy. So I wasn't really expecting to, you know, do any kind of gangbusters today. But, you know, when you know you're on a lake that absolutely has fish in it, you feel a little more confident that you might be able to catch something. So there we go. We were able to catch something. One little guy. Oh, I can actually go in and feel a little bit better. All right, guys, we were able to catch one fish. It's already getting dark. You know, daylight savings time has already passed, so we're in standard time again. And you know, it's getting dark. It's about 5:50, so it's getting dark really quick. You know, sun's in a different part of the sky. But I really enjoyed tonight's fishing. It's been a stressful week, and I really wanted to get out and relax a little bit. I've only been out about an hour, not even. And you know, just worked my way down the bank and back up. And we were able to catch one bass. So one bass is better than no bass. And it just goes to show you, you don't want to give up. You know, I've been fishing on days like this where it's been terrible, even raining. You know, just a nasty February or March where you got some rain in, it's blowing hard. And sometimes you just get lucky and hook into something big. So sometimes you just have to be persistent. I didn't think I was going to catch anything, in which case you never would have seen this video. Because I don't like to post ones where I don't catch anything, although I have. But we were able to put one on shore, so there you go. All right, guys. Until next time, this is Mike with One Man Op Fishing. Have a great day. Woo!